What's up, everybody? JW, the Georgia Rover here, and I've got a DIY solution for you guys out there with Land Rover LR3 or LR4. And you're looking for a roof rack solution that can save you several $100s over the factory rail setup from Land Rover. This one comes in right at about $100, so stick around and I will show you how I did it. Here it comes. So for about $100 worth of materials, meaning the crossbars, which I already had, which cost me about $60 from Amazon, and then the aluminum, 1-inch aluminum tubing, square tubing, got that from a True Value Hardware, and both pieces together were right at $36, and mounting hardware, screws and washers put it right at $40. So for $100, this is my solution, and it uses the stock LR4 mounting points under here in this channel. The bolts are M6 60s, and they work perfectly. So again, this cargo lock system that I already had on my Mercedes down there gives me adjustability. I can slide back along this as much as I need to for whatever I'm going to carry. I'll probably get a cargo basket to go up here at some point, you know, but for now, recovery boards, my kayak, you know, anything I want to put up top, I can do. So anyway, real quick, back to this. So on the tubing here, I angle cut the front, and yeah, I know it's not the prettiest, but hey, it turned out pretty well. If you can see, there's actually another short piece of the tubing here to give it a little more elevation. And I just screwed down through both of them, or bolted down through both of them. It holds it in place, lines up fine. And the other thing to be careful about, of course, if you have a glass roof on your Land Rover, you gotta be very careful not to break that bad boy. So be careful with tools up here. The tubing, the 1-inch square tubing, fits within the width of this channel, as do the base points there. So it does not rest on the glass. That would be bad. When you were tightening it down, it would break the glass, but not an issue here. And this thing is super sturdy, ready to rock. And again, for about $100, that is a workable rack solution for the LR4. And I've got to cover up these ends here, which I'm gonna do in a little while. Figure out how I'm gonna do that, but because I'm sure that'll make a little wind noise, but I'll take care of that. But overall, super happy. That's what it looks like. And unless you get right up on it, you really wouldn't know that's not some sort of factory deal. Well, of course, unless you're a Land Rover person, you would know, but it still looks pretty good. Happy with it. So, thanks for watching, and hope to see you out on the trail sometime. See ya.